Dude, the dunks, they call them
bros. This is a rental for the weekend. This thing goes, man.
2019 Volkswagen Golf R.
The R with a hard R. Wait, what? No, the keys. Oh, true. Okay, it's one of those. All right, so. Kids okay back there? I don't got my glasses, by the way, so.
Oh shit, really?
Nah, it's in the back. Let me.
It's like diabetes. Diabetes.
Is that just like 2 piles of
It's just French toast, Nutella, bananas.
Damn.
What I do, you can't do what I do. You can't do what I do.
You buy anything? Oh, nice. Of course, bro.
Race and go. I need a bag and I need it to go. I hit a spot and I'm ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always on go. Been it before and I act like I know. Been it before and I know how it goes. Straight up, part of my weight, my gain up. I don't need chains, I'm chainless. Long as my kids stay caked up, long as my mom stay prayed up, I'll be here forever. I'm be here. You can't do what I do.
These guys look like they work out. Look at these 2 buff guys. This can't be working at it, man. Interesting. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bros, what is this? Eat that biscotti.
Eating for breakfast, and then this is my dessert now. It's reversed.
Okay. Why eat on regular human schedule?
Because I made the schedule. I am the schedule.
Look at your vacation.
I'm trying to make a sick video.
You are now in the presence of a...
Alright, we're gonna be checking out this whole mall's only like JDM store.
Yeah, plastic dip.
I'm actually looking for a couple of lanyards. Only $10 for lanyards, my guys. This is it, bro. Which one? I'm looking for a Subaru. They got GR, SI, 86. Nice. Shy.
Honestly, this is such a good scale model.
That actually looks pretty decent. Interesting.
You know, like you're building a business out of it.
Oh my god, yes,
Yeah, the prices is perfect.
Should I be the Tito? Jeez, man. Hey, I had one of those on my FRS Phase 1. Alright, let's go eat. Alright, so figured while we're in Vancouver, check out their weekly Friday car meets at this like local chat time. Show you guys Vancouver's car scene. Freaking rare. So many FRSs, bro. Derpy's on his way here. Maybe we'll see his new FRS. You guys might recognize this car. Hey, yo, what's up, man? This was actually recently in Manila Gray's music video. That's dope. This is what I wish I had, bros. Honestly, what's funny is it's rocking wheels that I'm probably gonna pick up for the Subi too, so. Damn.
Final.
renting one of these. Okay, so we rented scooters and electric bikes, but I found this sweet jump. I'm gonna try to jump this scooter. Gang's all here. Yo, you gonna tear the streets up or what?
Rough Riders.
Yeah, I need to go on my.
We addicted to fast cars, bad bras, late nights, last calls, alcohol, bad. Just scrolling through the phone log, hit 'em up, all my pick 'em up. We bout to have a time tonight. Sure you keep that burner tuck, cause Nick like to creep low. Say motherfuck the PO and the judge. But if they come with us, just know it's love. I'm saying just because. Yeah. Cause we been coming from welfare, medical, healthcare, living in the hood is hell here, hell yeah. I'm saying
Yo, we gotta have you singing here. I don't know if this was super planned, but Sunny took us to all-you-can-eat restaurant, so Indian buffet, which I'm not complaining because this place looks pretty bomb. I ended up getting this fresh sugarcane juice. I'll let Eddie and Sunny go get the fruits first while I draw a little bit. Then yeah, we're gonna eat as much as we can today. Try to take advantage. But I have no idea what I'm getting. Like, what is this? This?
There's a chili chicken.
This and that.
Dosa. That's just a plain dosa. That's
With like egg in it or chicken or something? Peas?
yeah, it's just like peas inside.
Bro, this looks bomb. Guys, that was the first time I ever ate until I puked, literally. Like halfway through my meal, I told this guy I think I made a mistake. Got up and I almost threw up in the lobby. Okay, right now we're at a place called Whitehorse here in Vancouver, 20-minute drive away from Surrey, and we're foraging. Look at this shit. Look, look, look. Fresh. This was washed by the sea salt. That one was really good. Bro, these are like fresh. Ow. Goddamn. That's it. There's a little white rock here. Of all my years of visiting Vancouver, I don't think I've ever even been here. It's pretty quaint. That's the word I'll use for it. Like, imagine living so close to the beach. Like, I kind of feel bad not bringing Gohan. He'd love it here. And then like so many different types of restaurants and like cafes right along the beach. This is actually pretty cool. Truthfully speaking, everyone needs a break. I mean, I personally needed this. Take it from me, a day or two off from the chaotic, hectic parts of a working life is actually really necessary. Or else you'll eventually grind yourself down, but you still gotta keep yourself sharp. You know, go out, enjoy your city for what it is. When was the last time you actually stopped to smell the roses? You gave us a chance to contemplate, meditate a little bit, and you know, just learn to breathe when you want to. Damn. We made it to the end of the pier. We looked over the edge of the pier. Beauty took a photo for her family at the pier. Did you guys want a photo?
Sure.
Yeah, I got you, I got you. Hi, friend, hi. Aw, hi, buddy. Yeah. Cool. It was beware of Dougie. Yay, yeah. What's up, man? Look at that.
That's good,
Oh, no worries. Totally cool. So happy. Come on. You want to go say hi? Come on. Come up here. Yeah.
Hi there, how's it going?
Good. What's this one's name? Oh wow.
So excited.
No kidding. Yeah, no. Oh, got a toy and everything. Play with you. I'll play with you. Happy dog.
Yes, I know. She's not the best guard though, you can see.
No, that's awesome. Alright, fellas, say goodbye. Say goodbye to the Airbnbs.
Love you.
See you later.
See you later.
We'll see you back in Calgary. Yeah.
Safe flight.
For real. This guy's staying one more night. We figured our flight is at 6 a.m. or something, so we're just gonna head to the airport early instead of like trying to wake up early and then heading to the airport, and it might be some unprecedented shit that goes on in between here and there. Before any of that happens, we're just gonna chill at the airport tonight. But I think we're gonna meet up with Simon one more time before dropping off the car. or we're gonna drop off the car and then meet up Caleb. Mr. Mod Infinite / Battle Arrow is actually in town, funny enough. This kid's from California, so I don't know what he's doing here. But we're gonna maybe grab like late dinner or possibly some dessert or something with him, and see you guys back in Calgary.
Yeah, I know. I'm very excited.
You guys got paid to do that?
It's corporate. It's $5 grand for one day.
Wait, how, really? What? Wait, did you sign an NDA?
Yeah.
Oh. Before I...
Wait, why are there chips on that?
For real.
Why not?
That's the question.
Why ask questions?
Is this a Vancouver thing?
No.
What the
Wait,
they're not that weird.
Do whatever you want, dude. You know what? Yo, where's your oyster? Food.
Catch.
The catch of the day.
Don't shake the table.
There goes them.
The mount.
Yeah, the gates to security don't open till like 4 a.m. and we're at the airport super early. But now we're looking for a place to sleep, and this is the best, like behind the tills, the counters. I mean, other people are doing it, so we're gonna sleep like this. Found the spot, my boys. Got dinner. We found a spot where we can actually sprawl like it is perfect.